So the porch base, originally, I have to look back at old pictures because, well, maybe over here we still got some showing. No, we don't. It was lattice work down below here. And you can see it's all junk in there yet. That all needs to be cleaned out. So over here, I did do a lot of cleaning underneath, crawled underneath there, found these big blocks with a nice sculptured edges, pulled them back into place with crushed stone, cleaned up the lattice work, took that off, had some diamonds here I was using for something else, so I put one on here to disguise a joint, and that looked so good I added others to make it look like it was all planned design. One of those cool tricks. And right around the corner, same thing here. Here we had to put a new board on, but these diamonds are really just for design. They weren't covering anything up. But we get those painted nicely. It's all going to add a lot of elements to it. And we do have some flooring here work to do, but I don't know if we're going to get to it this weekend. So we're going to get back at the storm windows for now, and this hopefully get primed this weekend. It's the edge.